Okay, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm unboxing this huge box. Oh. Comment down below what you guys think it is. It's an Imac. It's one of the color ones. Oh, I was also going to tell you guys when I ordered it, how long it said it was going to take, and when I got it. I ordered it on November 14th. It said it was going to come between December 10th to 17th, which was like, whoa. And today is the 24th of November, so it came way earlier. And I got a message from that it was shipped, and it was going to be here by the 30th of November, like a week ago. But then it's already here today. So it came way faster than it was supposed to. But I'm sure they just make it longer so that because of COVID, stuff is slower. And it's around Christmas time. So let's get unboxing. There's like this little like arrow. I think you just pull it. Also, the guy came today and he didn't even ask me to sign it, which I thought was like a little weird. Like, hey, this is like over $1,000. Mom, oh, I got it. Wow, it's so pretty. It's not even like the actual thing. It's just the package for it. Okay, but guys, look how pretty it is. Oh, what? Oh, here's the back of the package too. Cool. Oh, I got it. Oh, okay, so the arrows just show that you open it from each side. Oh, you do it at the same time, I think, though. It all opens at once because you're opening it at the same time, I guess. Wow, it's heavy. Okay, I'm going to set it down over here. Here's what the rest of the box looks like. Okay, I'm just going to explain to you guys what everything you get inside of it. First thing is designed by Apple, and you open it up, you get a sticker, and then about the iMac. I ordered an Ethernet. I added that to my order, so I specialized my iMac. Oh, that's another thing I didn't say. I specialize this iMac. This is not how every single one takes, and I'm sure it doesn't take this long if you're not specializing it. But I added more memory, and I added an Ethernet. So this is the Ethernet I got. Look, it's like Mickey Mouse. You also get this, which is just like a phone charger. And here is the charger for the computer, like the plug-in. You get a nice little keypad, and then you get a mouse. It's like all nice and wrapped and stuff. Oh, it's so pretty. So now I'm just logging in a bunch of information, but I don't really know what's going on. I'm not that great with computers. Even though I'm an editor, people think I'm so good with computers, but I'm not that great. So I'm gonna wait until my dad gets home to help me with this, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want me to do more unboxings. I always think they're fun and like they're nice to watch. I like to watch them just so I know what I'm getting before I get it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye. Comment down below what phone you have. Like, a lot of people have iPhones, but I would just want to know what phone you have.